What's up, guys? Long time no see. I just bought some new headlights, so I figured we'd replace those real quick and make a cool little video out of it. I've also got this brake light out, so we're gonna get to that as well. Hopefully that's just an easy fix. We could take care of that today too. Alright, so I'm gonna start by popping off this grill. So I think if I just pull this out, that should be good enough. Give us enough room. Alright, so I've got 4 screws here. I'm gonna go ahead and take those off. And then this frame should pop off. Whoa, check that out. So this glass is actually supposed to be attached to here. It's supposed to be all in one piece. But she's old! I think we're doing pretty good by putting new ones in here. What do y'all think? Oh wow. I think we better get in there and fix that too. That's not cool. There she is. It's my new headlight. I got it from AutoZone. I think they were like 25 bucks each. Alright, now that we've got that little wire issue taken care of, we'll go ahead and swap this light over. Take this off. Put my old boot on this one. Okay. All right. I think that'll make a big difference when I'm driving at nighttime. My boot's kind of... Alright, I'm going to get in here and fix this brake light. I've had this issue before. The last time, the socket inside of it was kind of melted. Hopefully that's not the issue this time. Maybe it's just a bulb. I don't know. We'll get in there and find out though. So I don't know if you guys can see that down in there. Hopefully you can see that. So it's a little bit melted. I've got this extra light, and we're just gonna take this whole harness off and swap it over. Boom. Okay. Take this one off. There we go. Alright, so we're going to take that bulb out from the other taillight and put it in this one. Oh, there we go. Yay, we fixed it. Hell yeah. So when I left you guys last time, we were doing an interior upgrade. We put in some new carpet, repainted my seat, well, we dyed it. We also did some, put in my custom sun visors. I forgot to mention that I'm the one that painted these. I've also got a steering column I promised you guys. We're gonna get to that today too. Alright, so we're gonna clean up this steering column cover. I've got my Totally Awesome spray that I always get at Dollar Tree for just $1. Spray this down. Got some prep spray, grease and wax remover I've got from O'Reilly's for about $7. We're gonna spray it on here, clean any grease or debris. If I can get this open. Okay. Shout out to my brother for getting the lid off. Nerd. Agree? She's dirty. Pretty dirty. Alright, so now that I've got that all cleaned up and dried, we're going to go ahead and dye it the same way we dyed my seat, with this fabric dye that I got from O'Reilly's. It works pretty much like spray paint. You just want to use even light coats, let it dry a little bit in between all your coats. Alright. there's my second coat. That's where my key goes in the ignition, right? So it'll...
Yeah, it goes right there.
Yeah.
Cool.
So while I've got my dye and stuff out, I'm gonna go ahead and take off this window crank and get it dyed too. Maybe. Alright, so while I'm waiting for my steering column cover to dry, I'm going to take the opportunity to go ahead and replace this door panel. I've got another used one, but it's in better condition than this one. This one's all busted up. You're not very good with that light, homie. Give me your light.
Take the light.
Dad, you're supposed to be my light holder. I light hold for you. You don't know how to light hold.
I know how to light hold.
You don't.
I started off as a light holder.
You need to
Look
work
at me
hard.
now. Today.
Oh no, Jiminy Christmas. Well, if I had a better light holder. Transfer these little clips over to my new door panel. August 12th, 1994. Is that all of them? No? One more? Before you go and put your new door panel on, it's always a good thing to go through and check all your little holes for any little clips that are left, like this guy.
There you go. There you go. Pull it out at the bottom just a little bit more until you feel this kind of slip in here. See that? Okay. Now this end is good. Now you can come down and concentrate on this end. Make sure that's unlocked. There you go. It's already starting to stick up out of there. Now slip it down in there. There you go. Just like that. Yeah.
So this one's got a few little things wrong with it, but I think it made a huge difference compared to that other one. It'll definitely get me by until I can find something better. I've also got a new used armrest, and I went ahead and dyed it as well. So go ahead and throw that in here.
Can you see it?
Clay. Is that it? No? Alright, all my parts are dry. Let's get this steering column put together. think that looks so much better finally having that covered up. I got my cruise control switch back up. That's been dangling there for like a year now. This looks a lot better. Got a new armrest in. Definitely a step up. As always, thanks you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Please leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I've also got my Instagram. A link for that will be in the description down below. I've also got 2 other videos out. You guys should go check those out too. Yeah, thanks guys. It was fun.